What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to Ali the Poet. Now, listen, if you haven't seen my previous video with Memphis versus Brooklyn Nets, go and watch that. Stop this video, go and watch that, and then come back. Cause that video right there, that game's one for the books, man. One for the books. Amazing start to the season. That was an amazing game. Amazing from Jean Morant, 30 points. Crazy. Oh my god, that game crazy, bro. That game was absolutely crazy. Anyway, we got Golden State versus OKC right now. Golden State right now are not having the best start to the NBA season. I think they haven't won a game yet, have they? I think they lost their first 2 games. I think this is their 3rd game right here. And I remember somebody sent me a picture of them being down by like 40 points, some shit like that. Like they got blown the fuck out in this game, I think. So yeah. It's crazy. It's crazy how, like, I would say they're losing one player, but they're not really just losing one. They're losing 2. They lost KD and now they're losing Clay as well. So it's a big difference. And they got like 9 new players, and yeah, it's a whole new team. You know what I mean? It's not that championship team we came to know and love and hate. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's see what happened down here, man. Steph, D'Angelo Russell, Glenn Robinson, Draymond Green, Marquise Chris Paul, Shea Gilgeous, Terrence Ferguson, Delio Gallinari, Steven Adams. Okay, OKC don't have a bad team, you know. They actually have a pretty good team. Should have shot that. That is deep. That is deep. Okay. All right then, guys. Gallo want to start like that. Steph Curry, do your thing, bro. Oh, he's got a good shot. It's kind of like a push shot, though. It's like a push up. That's deep. That is deep. You sag off like that, you know he's gonna shoot it. Good move. Good move. Very athletic. I saw in a interview, in a post-game interview, I think it was after this game, Draymond Green was like, their defense is non-existent. Good move. Big as hell. I don't know if that was an and one though. I think it was a bit. He went slow. He went up with it slowly. I don't know if I'll call that an and one, but whatever. I don't know what the fuck Adam tried to do there, but whatever. That was a terrible Euro step. Kind of embarrassing, actually. This game is not looking good from the start right here. How did he get that? That is a high-ass floater. Good shot. Chris Paul looked like he really liked it up here in OKC. I don't think he's gonna move. I think he'd stay. I think he's gonna stay. I think he's gonna stay. I think he should stay, honestly. Ooh, that's a nice back. That's a nice pass from Noel. Tough. Oh yeah, I remember this. Yeah, I saw that on Famous Los's Instagram page. That's fucking embarrassing. That's kind of. That is kind of embarrassing right there. That is kind of embarrassing right there. He should have just went for a simple reverse. He didn't have to dunk that. You know what I mean? That's a nice tip pass. I don't know if he meant that. But That was a nice pass from Noel. Oh my! Aggressive! Aggressive! Damn, that is tough. He's been watching Filet, huh? That hang time was crazy. Good pass. Yeah, Shea Alexander is gonna be a great player. Ooh, sweetest release in this game. Sweetest release in this game. They don't have an offense right now. They don't have a defense. They don't have an offense. They just have a bunch of people playing basketball. This is a run right now. This is a run right now. Warriors are on a run. Yo, you can't tell me that release ain't the sweetest. You can't tell me that release ain't the sweetest. The flick of that wrist and all of it. Damn, he got slapped by 2 people. Marquise Chris always looks lost. Marquise Chris always looks lost. Damn, they're getting doubled in the first half. Warriors. The Golden State Warriors right now getting doubled. God damn.
Now that is a bread and butter play for goal. Warriors gave up 22 points to turnovers. Curry, and he bisects the lane.
Tough move.
Chemistry, you're working on, just playing together. That's a good weak side play by Steven Adams to tip that ball.
They're working on a lot, man. This is very shocking to watch right now.
Today, the ball movement leads to the open 3. SGA.
This is very sad to watch. It hurts my eyes. I don't know what to say. It's kind of awkward. It's kind of awkward, guys. He just threw that bitch up. He just threw that bitch up. Oh, as I say, he gets thrown out right here. Yeah, I seen it. I seen it. He thought should have got N1. He should have got N1. Yeah, okay, so he gets thrown out, by the way. I know they didn't show it here, but he gets thrown out of the game because he continues to harass the ref. So he gets thrown out. Obviously out of frustration. The game's not going your way. You guys are getting blown the fuck out. You know what I mean? So, makes sense. That is absolutely terrible off defense right there. Wow. Wow. He just, look at Curry. Curry just stood there like, what the fuck is going on? Give me that shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Got this shit smacked. But who is that? Who is you, bro? Who is this? Everybody getting money on the Rockets right now, man. Along 2. That's not a 3. Foot on the line. Yeah, I thought so. Give me that shit. Damn, bro, you got blocked twice. 3 times. That is a tough take, Schroeder. I love it when people get blocked and then the defender always screams, give me that shit. Oh my god, Diallo, bro. Yo, Diallo, relax. Yo, Diallo, relax. Relax. Easy. Man went for the layup and then tomahawk that motherfucker. Crazy. Give me that shit. Oh my god, Noel. Yo, this is, I don't want to watch no more, man. 40 points? Body to body. Jump ball? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, body to body right there. Nader. Ah! Yeah, this is embarrassing right now. Did Steph Curry and Draymond Green go back to the locker room already? Because I don't see him on the bench. Okay, this is just a bunch of freshies.
Allows Billy Donovan to do as Kai Bowman's
All right, that's it. We're not gonna watch no more. What did the score end as? 92 to 120. Yeah, that is that shitty. That's pretty. Okay, we're gonna watch. Let's watch this. Let's see what he's.
How many points have we given up in 2 games? It's got to be something crazy. Yeah, something like that. That's probably first and foremost.
Defense is.
Stops and build momentum on that side.
I don't know if y'all can hear him because he's talking pretty low. Let me turn this up.
It'll help our offense, and obviously it'll help us establish ourselves in games early. I think we've gone 2 straight games now, giving up a double-digit lead like in the first 6 minutes.
Yeah.
And you're playing from behind, and it's
You
not
gotta chase the rest of the game.
for us, so we got to figure that out.
Steph, what do you think about the way that Terrence Ferguson was able to defend you too?
He's active, and
The defense obviously is kind of problem number 1 right now, but why do you think the offense also kind of hasn't been able to be done?
honestly, I can't even judge our offense because we're taking the ball out the basket every possession and giving them free throw attempts and all that type of stuff. Like, it's just, we've been drowning on that side of the floor, so it's really hard to assess really what we're doing offensively.
True.
'Cause we haven't been getting transition situations.
Exactly. And that's big in the NBA, man. Getting stops and running. That's Golden State's game, you know.
Specific with D'Angelo, is there anything you guys can do?
And it's our first experience. It's different. Even seeing CP over there is different. The guys that they have, but this arena still hasn't been very unique.
CP looks like he's fitting in nicely, though. Ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, we're really far removed from the battles that we used to have. And, this playoff series and all that type of stuff, or the playoff series and just the back and forth and all the different storylines. So unfamiliar territory for sure.
The defense obviously.
Okay. I don't know if should we watch the D'Angelo Russell post game? Maybe we should do that. Let's watch that too.
You hit it right on the nose. Defense, leads to great offense. Bad offense can lead to bad defense. So it definitely piggybacks off of each other. That's the beauty of the long season. It's something you figure out. We can definitely be better, be harder. Just from the gate, can't keep getting out to bad starts, putting ourselves out.
Yeah. Gotta come out the gate looking like you actually want to compete and win. It's just not looking good. I don't know who edits this shit, but why doesn't he put the volume up? I can't hear nothing these motherfuckers be saying, yo. Like, why don't they put the volume up? I can't hear shit.
I mean, I don't like to come out of character like that. I'm not even the type of dude to ever do that or act like I'm that guy. So for me to act like that, it had to be something that's it is what it is.
Yeah, that's true. You don't really hear about D'Angelo Russell going crazy like that. So the fact that he actually did go crazy like that kind of makes you think that did he have a reason to do it. But yeah, man, it's not looking good for Golden State. Definitely have a lot they need to work on. But I definitely feel like I said, it's a long season. You know what I mean? They got a lot to work on. I was gonna do the Draymond Green one, but that video is kind of long. It's like 6.5 minutes. I don't think we will sit here for an extra 6.5 minutes. But from what the title says, it says we fucking suck right now, in quote. quote unquote. So I guess that kind of says all what Draymond Green thinks about how Warriors are having it right now. But yeah, man, there y'all have it. Golden State looking absolutely terrible right now. So that guy that was having a conversation with about Dallas Mavericks being finishing higher than the Warriors, I see what you mean. But yeah, man, there y'all have it. What do y'all think, Golden State? Are Golden State even gonna make the playoffs at this rate? I don't think they will. I don't think they make the playoffs. Can you imagine going from the finals to not even making the playoffs? That would be pretty awkward. That would be very, very awkward. But yeah. Anyway, if y'all enjoyed this video, man, hit that like button. If y'all new to Ellie the Poet, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We upload videos daily. I don't want to miss a beat. Hit that bell, and then I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.